Hello, today we will guide you through how to find XM referral code. To get started, open your browser and go to the official XM website at xm.com. It's important to make sure you are on the official site before moving forward, since this helps you avoid unofficial pages and ensures you're following the correct process. Once the site has loaded, take a moment to let the home page fully appear so all menu options are visible. Next, look at the upper right area of the screen and click on Partnership. This section is where XM provides access to its partner-related tools and registration options. If you do not see it immediately, pause for a second and scan the top navigation carefully, since website layouts can sometimes shift slightly depending on your device or screen size. After that, you'll be taken to the Partnership area. From there, scroll down the page until you find the option that says Become a Partner, then click on it. This is the section that begins the process for setting up a partner account, which is necessary in order to receive a referral code. As you scroll, move steadily so you don't miss the button or select the wrong option by mistake. Once you're on the registration page, complete the required fields and enter the requested information. Make sure everything is typed carefully and accurately before continuing. This step is important because your referral code will be connected to the account details you provide here. If a field is marked as required, be sure not to leave it blank. It's also a good idea to review your entries once before submitting, just to avoid delays caused by simple typing errors. When you finish filling everything out, click on Open Partners Account. After your registration is completed, you will receive the referral code. Depending on how the platform processes new registrations, the code may appear as part of the account setup or become available shortly after the account is opened. Be sure to follow any on-screen prompts that appear after submission so you can complete the process smoothly. That's the full process for finding your XM referral code. Start on the official XM website, go to the Partnership section, select Become a Partner, fill in the required information, and then open your partner's account to receive the code. If anything seems unclear during the process, double-check each page before moving on, especially during registration. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you complete the setup quickly and easily.